In the given question, we have to find the correct difference between the first and the second order reaction is. Now, the first statement is the half-life of a first order reaction does not depend on A naught. The half-life of a second order reaction does depends on A naught. Second option, a first order reaction can catalyze, a second order reaction cannot be catalyzed. Third option, the rate of a first order reaction does not depend on the reactant concentrations. The rate of the second order reaction does depend on the reactant concentrations. Now the fourth option is the rate of a first order reaction does depend on reactant concentration. The rate of a second order reaction does not depend on reactants concentrations. Now for this, as we know, for the first order reaction, T is equals to 0.693 upon K, which is independent of the initial concentration of reactant. Now, and for the second order reaction, Tm time is equals to 1 upon K into A naught, which depends on initial concentration of reactant. So the first option is the correct answer for this question.